how to use Proton Mail plus Proton VPN together. It is the ultimate combo. Let's get started. Using Proton Mail with Proton VPN is the ultimate 1-2 punch for your online privacy, and here's how to set it up for maximum protection in just a few steps. Let's get started. The first step is to get a Proton account. That's right, first you need a Proton plan. For the full combo, choose a paid plan like Unlimited that includes both mail and VPN. This is simpler than managing two separate accounts. Next, you have to install and log into Proton VPN. Download the Proton VPN app on your device, open it and log in with your Proton credentials. This gives you secure access to the entire Proton ecosystem. Next, you have to connect to a VPN server. Simply hit Quick Connect. This automatically connects you to the fastest secure server. Your internet traffic is now encrypted and your real IP address is hidden. That's it. Now just open Proton Mail either in your app or browser and use it normally. The VPN encrypts your connection to Proton Mail, hiding your activity from your network provider and adding an essential extra layer of privacy on public Wi-Fi. You are now fully protected.